Welcome. Today, we're diving into one of the simplest yet most useful features on Telegram: how to archive your chats in the updated version of the app. Whether you want to tidy up your chat list or keep some conversations out of sight without deleting them, this quick guide will walk you through it step by step. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your phone. Take a second to make sure you're logged into the correct account. When your chats load, you'll see all your conversations listed as usual. Next, scroll through your chat list and find the conversation you want to archive. It could be a private chat, a group, or even a channel. Once you've found it, tap and hold that conversation. This will highlight it and reveal a few icons at the top of your screen. Now, look for the archive icon. It usually looks like a small box or folder with an arrow pointing down. Tap that icon, and just like that, the conversation disappears from your main list. Don't worry, it's not gone. It has simply been moved into your archived chats. To find your archived chats again, simply scroll to the very top of your chat list. You'll see a new section labeled Archived Chats. Tap on it to open and view all the conversations you've previously archived. From here, you can read messages, reply to them, or even unarchive a chat if you'd like to bring it back to your main list. To unarchive, tap and hold the conversation again and select the unarchive icon. Archiving chats is a fantastic way to stay organized and keep your Telegram clutter-free. It's perfect for hiding inactive conversations, old group discussions, or channels you want to check later without seeing them every day. Best of all, the process is quick, simple, and works on both iOS and Android. That's it. You've just learned how to archive chats on Telegram in the updated version of the app. Keep your digital space neat, focused, and distraction-free with this handy feature.